next presentation is from Friederike Trognitz from Austria. It's about the CEDRO project ControlInRoad, controlling invasive alien plant species along roads. It's a recorded presentation, so I would ask the technicians to show us her presentation.
I will show you the results of the ControlInRoad project, which was financed by the CEDR Translational Road Research Call 2016, with different project partners from different countries and different scientific disciplines. We focused on 5 different invasive plant species: ragweed, Fallopian, giant hogweed, and Himalayan balsam. As roadsides play an important role in spreading invasive alien species, we looked in the ControlInRoad project on alternative methods for the control of invasive plant species along roadsides. We gave recommendation for the road sector. We did a cost-benefit analysis to end up with recommendation for best practice on roads to combat invasive plant species. The 5 plant species which we looked on in the ControlInRoad project are widely spread among the European countries. However, looking on the graph, we can see the prevention of an invasion is the most cost-effective measure to combat invasive alien species, and with the time of establishment and the area occupied, the cost increases. In frame of the project, we did interviews, made a literature review, and also had a workshop to find out the main processes for the successful management of invasive plants in the road sector. And one important outcome was that successful management need clear competence and responsibilities with an adequate budget. Also, the awareness of invasive plants need to be increased, and people working out in the street should be informed about the plants and their distribution. The management plan should include the inventory, then also the treatment with the adequate disposal, and then after the treatment, control of the effectiveness of the treatment, also in long-term monitoring. And as not all sizes can be treated with a given budget, there should be a prioritized plan to first treat these sites, which also can be done with the available budget. There's a lot of people suffering of ragweed allergies at this time of the year, including me. I would like to show you some results of the field trials where we tested different methods against ragweed. The field trial was set up by the road authorities of Burgenland, Austria, and we tested electroherb, infrared, pelargonic acid, uprooting, mowing, hot foam, and grass mixtures. Here are the results of the ragweed trial. So as you can see, electroherb, a hot foam, and pelargonic acid had almost 100% success rate. Infrared and uprooting also showed a significant difference compared to the control. Uprooting was not 100% successful because we did it once, and after this new plants grow up. The other pelargonic acid and also mowing were not significant different from the control treatment. To look up on the cost-benefit analysis, please go into the website, and there you find all the information for these trials. Here are some conclusion and outlook. Please, for more information, go to the website. So management plans are needed to control invasive plants, and also the regulation of contaminated soil should be included in such management plan. as it was happened in my village that after building on the road, we have now all over the village ragweed, which I remove every time. So the treatment of invasive plants depends on the plant species. A correct disposal of plant waste is needed to be included in the management plan. And a long-term control of the treated sites is essential for a successful management, which may also include now artificial intelligence. Equipment for the weed management in agriculture can be adapted to roadsides, and also there is increase of awareness needed for invasive plants, and also the management of invasive plants should go into national guidelines. With this, I would like to thank you for your attention and also the project team. And please, for more information, look up to the ControlInRoad homepage. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Friederike. Are you online? Yeah, you're online. Okay, so are there no questions in the moment? Okay, thank you very much, Friederike. You're doing a good work with the against the invasive species.